Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys this wig install. So jumping straight into this video, I will be working with April Lace Wigs Hair Company. So I'm just unboxing, showing you guys what I received. So I got a wig cap, I got this info card, I also received the wig itself. So this was a 24-inch wig. It was a Italian Yaki texture. You guys can see the baby hairs, super natural. I'm just showing you guys how it looks on my skin. So I'm showing you the inside. This is a 5x5 closure wig. It has two combs at the side, one comb in the middle, and then also another comb right at the back of the wig. It also has the adjustable bands. And we also have this adjustable band in the middle that you are able to adjust and also remove if you would like. This does allow your wig to be glueless, so that is the good thing about this band right here. But I'm just showing you guys it, and this is how inside looks. So this is how the hair looks, super full, super full. And you could definitely see all the texture. So we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So jumping straight into this tutorial, my hair is already braided back into 6 straight back braids. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer and just spread that all over the back of the lace. This is just to help it blend in better with my skin tone. Then I'm using this comb at the back of the wig to stick in the middle of my head, so I just know that the wig, once I put it on, it's set right in the middle. And then you just want to pull it up, and that is it. So this is how it is looking as soon as I put the wig on. This is a free part closure wig, so you can do side part, middle part. I decided I was going to do a middle part today. So I'm going in with my Ebon adhesive spray, and I'm just lifting the lace and spraying that on my hairline where I want the lace to sit. And I'm just using my finger to just dab it in, then going in with my blow dryer to just dry it tacky. And once I've done that, I'm lifting the lace back forward and resting it on where I sprayed that adhesive. So I'm using my comb to just press in the lace so that it sticks. And then I'm drying it with the blow dryer completely. Once that's done, I'm going in with my BioSilk and my Dax. As always, I'm gonna spread that all over my hands and then rub it through the hair. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer to blow dry it because I am going to straighten it. So I'm gonna blow dry it first just to help me out in the process. It will make things much easier. And then once the hair is blow dried, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. So now that I've blow dried the hair, I'm just going in sections and I am just straightening the hair. The flat iron that I'm using is the Nano Titanium Babeless Flat Iron. I always use this flat iron, guys. I think it's on the highest heat. It's probably on 450. So you just want to comb through the hair and then just go in with the flat iron and just straighten it. I did go in pretty big sections because the hair is already straight. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Once the hair is straightened, I'm going in with my razor and I'm just going to razor off the extra lace. Now I'm just going ahead and parting my part straight down the middle using my nose as a guide. I always do this, guys. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my wax stick and my hot comb just to flatten the top a bit. So as you can see, I parted part of it out, put my wax stick on it, then went in with my hot comb. This just allows the closure, whether you're using a closure or a frontal, this just allows it to lay more flat. So as you can see, this is the difference from using the hot comb and the wax stick. Just wanted to show you guys. So we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. So now I'm just combing through the hair. I did decide to comb through the baby hairs as well because I wanted to kind of match the texture a bit more. So I did go in with my hot comb and just press it through a bit. So that's exactly what you see me doing now. So once the hair is all hot combed and all that good stuff, I'm just going and combing the hair exactly how I want it to lay. So I kind of wanted a little hump at the front a bit. So as you can see, I'm just combing it up and then brushing the hair down. So this is how the hair is basically looking, guys. As you can see, although I straightened the hair, there is still texture to it. This is an Italian Yaki texture that April Lace Wigs Hair Company sent over to me. So as you can see, it looks so nice. It's so full. Yeah, we were loving it. So I did decide to go ahead and clean up my part a bit. So I went in with a small makeup brush and that same concealer I used, and I just spread it along that parting just to define it a bit more. And I'm telling you, it made a huge difference. So the little things, guys, you can use and make a difference, because this was one of them. So yeah, as you can see now, you can fully see the parting space. So this is how it looks. Love, love, love. Shout out to April Lace Wigs Hair Company for sending over this unit. If you guys are interested, all the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. The exact link for this unit will also be there. If you guys made it this far, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.